Alright guys, final thoughts on these Yokohama G003 tires. And these are the MTs. Alright, so these are 44,000 miles on them. And I was hauling about 600 excuse my cough. I was hauling about 650 miles a day with them. What can I say? Two of the tires were defective that they sold me. Yokohama gave me credit with discount tire, partially. So I guess if you buy them for around town use, and you know, if you go occasionally off-roading, these will be okay tires. But if you buy them for like highway hauling, and if you go off-road, like, the reason why I bought these was because it was winter season up here, and I do go quite a bit off-road for deliveries. So that's why I bought them, just to try them out. But my final thoughts, not a big fan of them. They lasted about, this is 44,000 on these tires, and they are showing excessive thread use. Just replaced them with these Discovery Cooper tires. Spent $13.47 on them. They're rated for 60,000 miles, so hopefully I can get about 65, maybe 70 out of them. So that's the situation. Those are my final thoughts. I mean, like I said, they're okay for around town, but if you guys are buying them for highway, you know, I would not recommend. And they do chip like crazy. Some people don't believe me, but they do chip like crazy. Yeah. So that's the fact that these tires do come apart, especially if you go like 75-80 miles an hour on them. But thanks for viewing, guys, and just trying to, you know, give you all an honest review on them. So thanks for viewing, and have a wonderful day.